Hello guys, and the other bad sons with their mamas. The mama got hit in the head and she did get a concussion. Now today is a part 2 of it. Hello, Mom. Hello, sweetie. What you want for dinner? I want pasta. Okay. So there you go, so you can cook. We don't have. Mom, why every time I tell you something, you always deny it or we don't have it. I'm gonna get up there. Hey, you bad Uber. You're right there. One thing someone didn't know this, but you're the one who drives me. You're the one who drives me, right? Hey, I'm the other bad Uber. Where's my mom? I don't know. She went on the grocery store. Oh, these are the bad Ubers. And guys, one thing I forgot to mention in this video, bad Uber and his assistant are in this video. So please enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification so you can get notified every time we post a new video. And hit that thumbs up button. Do one with me. Bad Uber, do one with me. I better get one. A Facebook page.
Got the whole squad. The whole squad in this thing. The squad. Sure, let's show my handshake, Tyson. Let me show my hands. What I told you about that. What I said about that.
Right here.
See, but you know why? Because you left-handed, so you always think that you need to shake hands with your left hand, but you don't shake hands with your left hand. Why don't you shake hands with your left hand? Why don't men shake hands with their left hand?
I don't know.
Because men shake hands with their right hand.
Okay, fine, let's do it.
1, 2.
That's our handshake. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Yeah, I'm not your mom.
Hey, sweetie, I just go back. Guess what? You won't believe. I just saw some bad Ubers.
Oh, no. Wait, that's some car?
No. No, Mom, that's the neighbor's car. Stop it.
No, that one right there.
Oh, yeah, that is the bad Uber's car. I do bad Ubers with him. Isn't that fun?
You know what? I can do a TikTok.
That's a nigga that own the car lot. Man, you gotta let me talk.
Hey, Mom. Taylor.
Yeah?
You have to play, Mama. Hey, Mom. Can you come here?
Come on. Do a TikTok.
What? This is so ridiculous. You know what? I had enough of you, Mom. I had enough of you, Mom. Seriously. Seriously, Mom.
Dirty. Your mama said to come outside because y'all just taking something. You said what now?
So sick of you. Oh! Fall out, you little snake. Oh, I'm the doctors. I'm the doctors. Okay, get her down. Get her down. Get her down. Get her down. Okay. Thank you. Come back alive.
Man, I'll talk to them bitches tomorrow. I get them bitches like
Man,
get that motherfucking car.
we're the doctors. You know what anything
Nigga
happened?
just got that motherfucker.
What?
Nigga ain't even 60 days behind.
Hey, Mom, this is. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go fill our car out. Okay. I'm sorry, Mom. Is it okay?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I hit you in the head.
Man, that nigga finna get that car back. Give me that nigga number. Let me call him tomorrow.
What? Wait, I think I didn't fill it out. Hello, guys. I didn't ask. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. When I said I'm sorry, I didn't actually care for her. I hate her.
Don't do that, Taylor. That's gay. Put it down. Now smell your hand.
Working just text me hello.
Yeah, he text me. I really need to send his ass out there.
He can't run that wild.
He can't. You take some back.
Caleb, you're supposed to be doing this, like, don't be doing what I do with your hands. I will hit you.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna go over there, okay?
Nah, that's just them little companies like that. But yeah. Chrysler Cap, they let me go out by 4 times. Yeah, they do the little bullshit he had. It ain't the company because the company when they did that, that's a
Mom.
Man, that finance man, the motherfucking nigga get. I'm telling you, cuz they don't come and pull your car until you about 90, 120 days behind. Right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What up? Get y'all ass off that dirt ass thing. Get them off of that dirt ass. Yeah. They got free liquor at the resort, huh? So you eat good down that bitch. Yeah, I know. You can do. Yeah, nah, that's so better.
This is the bad Uber's car. I need to get in it. I need to get in it. He doesn't know. You're the police? Jump down. Let's see who can fight. Jump down, please. You need to hurry up. The police is coming. Police is coming. Shut up, police. Shut up. I can do whatever I want. I'm looking at my own. I'm looking at. It will tell me that. Wait. How old are you? I'm 20. How old are you? I'm 19. You could go, sir. Stupid brat. Oh, I'm in. Happy birthday to Tyson. I am now 30 years old. That's bad Uber. Let's go steal his car. That's bad Uber. Tell you how to be like the police.
You gonna go get in the bed?
Come on. I need to go steal a car. Hey, don't wreck this car, sir. I'm 30 years old. 30? Yep, 30. I'm almost 32. What day was your birthday, sir? It was yesterday. How? I turned 30 years old, and I'm looking at this car. It's so nice. I might have to steal it. It's stealing this car.
No, I'm saying you gotta take it out and let that bitch be curly now.
Hey, I'm pushing. Oh.
Put the ball down. You already took a shower. No, because I somebody else.
Let's go steal the car before police come. I'm 31 years old now. Let's go. Stop. How old are you? I'm 33 years old. What? I'm 33 years old and I'm trying to steal this car. Let me just go. It's nice. Let me just go. Go. Let me go in the front. I'm 31 years old.
No, you got wet dink.
No. I'm 31. I'm so old. I'm older. I'm older than 19.
What's your mom's name?
She's her name is Arianda.
Okay, how old is she?
Shut up, that's not your business.
How
She's
old?
99.
Okay, you can go.
No, but I am 31 and I'm trying to steal this car. Someone's taking care of my mom though. And I can steal this car. I knew it was bad telling you the truth. Shut up. You ain't taking me to jail. Shut up. Go on to jail.
If they bring the tag, what that mean? Don't go.
Shut up. Shut up.
Lift that car.
You shut up, please. Just shut up.
Tied up.
I'm arrested? Am I arrested?
That's important. Really nice. Go to prison. Go here. Go. These companies on phone with them.
Shut up. Just shut up.
I did you.
I'm gonna give you some question. You're the police and you're gonna be knocked down. I'm gonna escape. Okay?
I did
You're gonna
you.
come back. No, you're gonna come back. You're the police though. You're the police. Hey police. Can you come here?
That's what I'm trying. But I ain't got to. We ain't got to even go through that because I know exactly. Like I say.
Police.
Yep.
And listen.
Get right here real quick. I need to talk to you.
The people in Mobile,
I don't even follow these. You want to go?
okay. They got damn. They call the company here.
Crazy police. Yes, I can get out now. Get out. Let's do the car. I thought you were dead. Listen,
Tied up?
I'm so sorry,
You're
Ken.
getting tied up.
I have a grandmother.
What's her name?
Leela. She's 90.
Where she live?
She lives right there.
Over there?
Yep.
Go speak.
She doesn't have nobody to take care of her though.
Go speak to her.
Can I get out of jail though?
Come on.
Shut up.
Come on. Get out.
Shut up.
Come on. Okay, baby.
Hey, Leela.
Hey!
Leela. Hello, I'm Leela. What's going on? What's going on?
I finally got cars. I finally got some people.
Oh, my grandmother doesn't need any help, but I still ain't going to jail. I still don't want to go to jail.
I'm not the police, I'm
Oh, hey, Leela.
I got some people.
Today you have to be telling police. I don't want to be arrested, police. I just
do it to Leela.
don't worry about that. I hate you.
Me.
You ain't arrested me because I'm still looking at this car. Looks nice.
That's a black rat.
Shut up. It's someone else's car though. I don't care. I wish Shalina was alive. I wish Shalina was alive so she can handle this. Hey, bad Uber. Can I steal your truck? Shut up, bad Uber.
Nah, we can't do it. You was scared yesterday. Doing bad Uber, you was scared.
Hello, guys. I'll see you in the next Bad Sounds with their mama.